I bought an SKS for $450. Let's see what I bought. So what I bought is basically a Frankenstein. So Norinco in the late 80s, early 90s took the traditional SKS, which you can see in the background there is a Russian SKS, shortened it and made it take AK mags. So let's see what we can figure out here. So they took the SKS, and this did not have a mag with it, but I give $450 for it, so I didn't expect everything. This is a Chinese mag, 10 round, which is what come in it, and they adapted it to take AK mags. They left the notch for the stripper clips out so that it will not take stripper clips now, but it'll take AK mags. This is a 30 round Chinese AK mag, and they go in very nicely. I find the Chinese ones work better in here. Chinese made a real good magazine. They've shortened the barrel. I believe they've shortened the gas system here a little bit, it appears, compared to the original. I would say they did. And that's a Russian SKS there, I'm sorry. But they definitely shortened them down. We're going to take this out and shoot it, I think, this weekend. Keep an eye out when you're out gun showing. You want to buy Chinese AK mags. They're flat on the back rather than having a ridge. Many are marked here. Some have a chrome follower. The chrome followers are always better. They come marked a couple different ways. This one's marked differently. That one says Poly China on it. So, but it's kind of a Frankenstein gun. Rather cool. They put the thumb hole stock on it to apply with the to comply with this importation things. This one here, I believe you can see that. It's made in 1993. There's the importer mark. But they're just a fun gun to shoot. And because I was set up at the show, I get a nice SKS for $450. You're not getting a nice SKS walking around a show or not being the first one there, because the guys that are at the show buy up all the good buys first. So I've been trying to encourage people to set up at the shows, go buy a table, sell some of your junk that you don't need, and buy you a nice SKS for $450. That's a Norinco Sporter, it's called. Takes AK47 mags and made in 1993. So figured you'd like seeing the Sporter, the Frankenstein SKS. And like I always say, God bless you and God bless America.